So what is the prerequisite for this job? uh, if you want to um, go for the interview, you must be graduate in any stream, you must have the diploma. All right, you should have good command over English. I mean, of course, you are supporting US, UK, Canada, Germany, any abroad country, any country. English is the language which is globally recognized. I mean, all the people able to speak the English, most of the people can able to speak the English over the globe. That's what, if you are looking for job in IT service desk, you must have good command over English. You should have the good command over computer. I mean, you should know the monitor, RAM, hard disk, the motherboard, the operating system, and those all things. So before starting this course, you should have little bit idea about the computer. So you would love to, go through the all videos. But if you're not aware of anything like what is called monitor, what is called hard disk, what is called RAM, and what is display, what is operating system, it could be a little hard to understand the course. But everybody using computer right now. I mean, in the globe, you can use mobile, you can use computer. So it's everybody is familiar with the computer and the uh, desktop. So if you have the little bit knowledge on the computer or laptop, you would able to learn this course very easily. That's my guarantee. Let's move to the next slide. Here is the complete which I have designed the course. um, in complete series of video, what you will gonna learn. Since this is intro video, I am just going through all the contents which will cover this complete series of video. So you will come to know the power supply. What is power supply? Of course, if you want to uh, power on the machine, power supply but needed. What is BIOS? Okay, CPU. What is, I mean, these processor, the RAM, HDD, the post power on self-test. Okay, then all about the Windows 10 operating system, OS version 32-bit versus 64-bit, Microsoft editions. So there is home edition, enterprise, professional. So these kind of editions available in the market. So most of the time you would see in the company, MNC company, they are using professional and enterprise edition, not the home edition, because home edition will not able to connect the domain. Okay, so that all information you will get in this complete series of video. Windows 10 installation. Suppose suddenly while running operating system, suddenly computer got crash. What you should do, you have to reinstall the operating system. So what are the steps you have to do is, so that we will gonna cover in this course. Driver installation. You have installed the operating system but driver is not available. That's what, it's not performing very well, and you have to install the driver. All right. Antivirus. The default antivirus for Windows 10 is Defender. Suppose you have to install some other antivirus, what should you do? Okay, so that we gonna talk about later in this course. Task managers. What are the activity you will able to see in the task manager, and that will help you to troubleshoot the problem. This is what we can overview, take a look on task manager. Windows file system. So now we have NTFS. Earlier we have FAT32, Linux using ext3 or 4. All right, Windows file system. Then control panel overview. Once you go to the control panel, there is a lot of options available to manage the computer very beautifully. So we will look at control panel overview, backup and restore. Suppose you have a doubt, maybe your machine getting crash again and again, and there is very important data saved in your drive, and you have to take the backup. Then you can restore on other device. So that we're going to talk about this later. Internet Explorer. So these all things would be very helpful, and This all things will come up when you go for the interview for service desk analyst. So make sure you are not missing any single videos part of service desk job based training. All right, proxy setting, favorite import export temp file. Suppose user wanted a new laptop and wanted to move all the data on the laptop. So how you can import export these things, we will talk about. Temporary files, daily basis there is a lot of temporary files stored in the temporary file locations, and that will make computers slow. So that we will want to talk about. Add-ins. What is add-ins? Add-ins could be in Excel, Word, Outlook, the browser. So what are the add-ins and how you can install the add-ins? If it is got installed, if sometime it's not working, how you can fix that issue. So we will talk about on that, like add-ins. ActiveX setting that will require to run videos. Internet Explorer setting overview. I install and install upgrade. Sometime it happen user have particular website which is not running on the newest version of the Internet Explorer, which is deployed by the IT, or I can say the